Hello and good evening. Today we're going to review Siku Farmer 150 diecast tractor with trailer. It got John Deere design, John Deere green, and John Deere typical John Deere tractor coloring with yellow wheels, green body, and yellow stripe. So this is siku. It was established brand, and the design is very details. As we know, siku is synonym with children diecast for children, but I think siku made very good diecast in detailing. It was official John Deere with this one John Deere. Very beautiful. So we're going to unboxing siku John Deere. Okay, so we already unboxing. It has two parts. First part is the tractor, and the second part is the trailer. It has mixed what we call metal and plastic parts. This part can be attached and reattached. Just be careful when you pull out the cabin. It has I don't know, be very careful. I think we just let it be here because I don't want to risk it to snap off. So first we go to the tractor unit. Very detailed with the John Deere stripe and John Deere logo on the front. This is John Deere logo at the front. I zoom in and look, John Deere. Very detailed parts, except the engine is not coloring. Rubber wheels. Very details. 1976. Now we continue to the trailer. It has I think a farm trailer. This is a farm trailer. It has two axle. The first axle with the this is what we call a 360. It has 360 rotation. 360 rotation. And this one is a fixed axle. This one it can rotate. So we're going to see the trailer first. It can do like this. To the left, I think this is left hand side of the tractor. We can open the like this. This one like this. Very detailed and accurate model of John Deere tractor by siku. We can attach the trailer very easy, and the movement is quite good. For the quality, I think siku is very high quality, even though it's not full metal, but most of the parts are really in good quality compared to the Chinese maker. Okay, siku, like this, siku. Okay, compared to the Chinese built Huina, you can see here the detail is not very good, although most of the part is metal, but by the design it's a rough design. It's not very good. This compared to the siku is very accurate and fun to play. It can become very good in displaying also. Okay, so if we have other trailer, we can reattach to the back of the this trailer. So the accessory, we can use a different kind of accessory for this siku tractor. We're going to check out and unboxing other siku product in the future. I think siku made a very good diecast. Okay, that's all. Enjoy the view of my new siku tractor with a trailer from siku farm. For a siku farm, I think a siku farm series. Okay, thank you.